Okay, your explosion gift box is going to come with several things. It's going to come with 8 flying butterflies. It's going to come with an outer box. It's going to come with an inner box. And it's going to come with 2 straps. And finally, it's going to come with a lid. I have these butterflies right here because I bought these extra. They were like 20 of them for $10. You could buy extra if you want to, if you don't like the color of butterflies that came with your gift box. I wanted to mix it up a little bit by adding additional colors into the box, so I bought additional butterflies. I'll save you guys a link underneath the video. So let's go ahead and get started. First, we're going to grab the 2 straps. Each strap has a slit on each end, a slit on each end, and these slits come together. So you're going to take both slits and lock them into place. You're going to take the other end right here, and you're also going to lock it into place. Fairly easy. Next, you're going to grab the inside box, and you are going to form a box with it. After you form the box, it's going to have one opening, which is the top. But in order for these to come together, these tabs have to go into certain slots, okay? The male and female connectors. So we're going to go ahead and do it one at a time. We're going to take this, bend in the slot, 90 degrees, put the tab into the slot, lock it in. We're going to go ahead and bend this one in. Go ahead and bend the slot 90 degrees, the tab 90 degrees, put it inside the slot, lock it into place. This tab, same thing. And finally, you're going to take this one and put it on the inside, and you're going to lock the tab. The tab goes on the outside and lock it into place. Make sure it's fully inserted so the box does not come apart. Next, you're going to grab the Easter basket tissue paper, shredded paper right here. You're going to shove it in here. And this is where your gift goes. You put any type of gift you want. You're going to take the outside box and put this box inside. And it's going to go up like this. You're going to grab your straps here, and you are going to place the straps over this box to hold the outside box in place, just so it doesn't come off on you. You slide this strap all the way down to the middle, and there you go. We're almost there, folks. Next, we're going to set this aside. We're going to grab your butterflies. Comes with 8. And you're going to do 40 spins, 40 half spins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You're going to take this, hold it so it doesn't come apart on you. And you're going to put it between the outer box and the inner box. This is what holds the butterfly from exploding on you. Tap it into place, and you're going to move it over to the side as far as possible because the next butterfly is going to go towards this side. You don't want both butterflies to overlap each other, and their wings are going to overlap each other, and they're not going to end up being able to release the rubber band. It'll get stuck on each other. So you're going to want to stagger them and make sure that they are not intertwined like that. They are apart, staggered like this. So this one, I'm pushing it all the way to the right. You're going to go to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 40. I'm going to go ahead and stagger it, place it on a different plane here, and stagger it towards that side. Now you're going to go to this side with 2 more butterflies, this side with 2 more butterflies, and this side with 2 more butterflies. After you're done, you're going to take your box and you're going to close your box. Close the outside ones securely. After you're closing them, you're going to go ahead and release this locking tab, remove it. So the only thing that is keeping those butterflies from exploding is this top lid. Now, if you feel like 8 butterflies is not enough, you can go ahead and buy more butterflies. I went ahead and bought more colorful butterflies to mix up with the pink ones, and I jam-packed them all in there. I did 3 per side, and it just looks way more cooler. So I would want to release this strap here. Instead of disassembling the strap, I'm just going to slide it through the bottom here and just keep the box with the lid on like this until it's ready to go. And when your significant other finally opens it, make sure she's not holding onto the box while she's lifting the top. The top comes off fairly easily. All she has to do is just grab her fingers, tell her to grab her fingers and lift up the top, and voila! Perfect.